Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of Google Ads course series, I'm going to show you how to create in-feed video ads. This is going to be a step-by-step proper tutorial where you will learn how to create in-feed video ads which can be run on YouTube through Google Ads. So let's directly get into my Google Ads dashboard and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Google Ads account. Now I'm going to create a campaign. So obviously I have to click on this plus icon, and once I click on plus icon, I have to click on campaign, and here I have to select the objective first. So you can select whatever the objective you have in your to run your ads, right? That might be sales, that might be leads, or that might be ad promotion. But for now, I'm going with create a campaign without goal guidance. Now in campaign type, I'm going to choose video, obviously, because I'm showing you how to create video ads. Right now here I can choose either get views or efficient reach, because both have this in feed video ads option here. And sorry for that, but efficient reach doesn't have in feed video ads, right? It has only bumper ads and skippable in-stream ads. So obviously we have to choose get views to create in-feed video ads, right? As you can see here, right? So I'm selecting get views option and hit the continue button. Now these are the 4-step campaign creation process. First of all, you have to name your campaign, whatever the name you want, you can name it, right? This is the default name. Now in bidding strategy, you can't change any option because you have only one option, which is CPV, cost per view. Earlier when there was a custom video campaign, you could get two options. Basically earlier you get two options, you used to get two options, the CPV and CPM, cost per milestone. But right now, after splitting the campaign, custom video campaign, into two parts, get views and efficient reach, we have only one bidding strategy, which is cost per view, right? So we can't do anything with the bidding strategy. Now in budgets, either you can go with total budget or daily budget. I'm going with daily budget, which will be around 1600, which is around $20 a day, roughly $20, right? Now here you can add your campaign start and end date if you want, otherwise you can leave it, right? In network, let me scroll. Yeah, in network you do get two options. The first one is YouTube. Obviously we are running YouTube ads, so we can't turn this option off, so YouTube will be the default. Now you get one option that you can choose, that whether you want to show your ads on Google's display network sites or not. So if you want to show your ads on Google display network, so you can check this box, otherwise you can uncheck this box. So right now I just want to show my ads on YouTube. I don't want to show my ads on Google display network, so I'm unchecking this box. Now in location, if you want to add any custom location, basically any specific location, city, pin code, postal code, so you can enter that area here. Otherwise you can click on advanced search, and here you can target on a location basis or a radius basis. But for now I'm going with the whole country, which is India in my case. In your case it can be US, it can be Canada, it can be anything, right? Now in language, I'm going to choose Hindi, because in the majority of population in India speaks Hindi as well as English, so I'm selecting both the languages, right? Now related videos, if you want to add related videos, you can add with your advertisement. It could help you to increase the engagement, right? So if you want, you can add, but I'm not going with any related video. Then product feed, if you have created your merchant center account and you have approved your merchant center account and added few products in your merchant center, so you can directly show those products with your ad. For that you just have to click on this checkbox and you have to select your store, merchant center store. But I'm not going to do this, right? I don't want to promote my merchant center products in this particular video ad, right? Because both are different. Then in additional settings, you get few more extra important options, like device setting. If you want to show your ads in any specific device, let's say you just want to show your ads on mobile devices, so you can uncheck these boxes and the mobile devices will be automatically turned on, right? So you can target on an operating system basis, mobile devices basis, mobile model basis, device model, then network basis. So tons of options you get here for device targeting, right? But for now, I'm going with all the eligible devices. Then there's one more important option, which is frequency capping. What is this frequency capping called? Basically, frequency capping is like how much time you want to show your ad to the same user, right? As you can see here, to the same user. So in frequency capping, we get two options: impression frequency and view frequency. Frequency is basically if the user is interacting with your video or ad, or if the user has properly watched your video, then it will be counted as a view, right? Otherwise, if the user is not showing any interest or not even watching your video, just your video is showing, just your ad is showing, it will be counted as a impression, right? So in impression capping, uh, I'll be giving 5 times a day, which means my ad will be shown 5 times per day to the same user, right? And if you want, you can add on a weekly basis and on a monthly basis as well, as you can see. So on a daily basis, my ad will be shown 5 times. On a weekly basis, my ad will be shown 20 times. On a monthly basis, my ad will be shown total 50 times, right? So this is the frequency capping I have done for impressions. And now for the views, which is basically the interactions, right? So if the user has interacted with my ad, so I'll don't bother them many times. So I just want to show them 2 times per day and 10 times a week. I don't want to add for the month. So this is how, or this is what the frequency capping I have done. Now after frequency capping, if you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see ad scheduling. So you get ad scheduling options as well. Let's say you just want to run your ads on a weekdays, you don't want to run your ads on weekends, so you can set that thing here. As you can see, all weekdays are here, weekends are here, and you can do on a every, basically you can select any specific day in a week you want, right? Even you can set the specific timings as well. Let's say you just want to show your ads on daytime, right? So you can set that as well. But for now, I'm going with all days. Then in third party measurement, we don't have any option here, so we are not going to do anything. Then we are in our create ad group. Yeah, so here you get the option to name your ad group. If you want, you can change it, otherwise you can leave it the default name, right? In demographics, basically you can set the demographics. You can define your audience on a demographical basis. Let's say your audience is only male, right? If you have a product which can be sold to only males, so you can select that preference here, right? But for now, my product is not only for male or female or any kind of other gender, right? So I have selected all, and here on a age basis, I want to do some customization. I want to show my ads from 18 to 44 only, because I think my major audience lies between this age bracket, right? 18 to 44. Then in parental status, all would be fine. Household income, all would be fine, right? So this is how demographical changes I have done. And you have to think about your business, that which kind of audience is perfect for your audience business, right? Then in audience segment, if you have earlier run your ads, you might have some visitors on your website, or organically if you have some visitors on your website, you might have saved those audience. So you can select those audience here. First you have to select those audience, save those audience, and you can select those audience here. And after selecting those audience, you'll be able to show your ads directly to those users as well. Otherwise, you can select any affinity audience or in market audience from this audience segment option. So after doing this your customization, we are into where you want to show your ads. So on the basis of three things, you can show your ads: keyword basis, topic basis, and placement basis. So let's say you know that my user will search these type of keyword on YouTube. So you can add those keywords, and once they search these type of keywords, they will be able to see your ads on their feed, on their search results, because this is in feed ad which we are creating. This is in feed ad, and in feed ad shows in your search bar, YouTube search bar, and mobile applications home page. As you know that there's a home page in your mobile application, so you don't have to search there. It will automatically appear, your ads will automatically appear. And in YouTube desktop version, if you search something, your users will be able to see. Basically, if your user is searching something related to your content, basically, which you are targeting, your user will be able to see your ads, right? Also, that's why it is this in feed ad, also known as search ads on YouTube, right? So right now we don't want to go with keyword targeting, or we don't want to go with placement targeting. Placement targeting is like, let's say you don't want to just show your ads on few specific YouTube channels, so you can select those YouTube channels from here. Or you just want to show your ads on few specific videos only, so you can select those videos, right? Even you can select the video lineups as well, right? Basically the video categories: popular content worldwide, popular content in India, so like this, right? But now, for now, we are going with on the topic basis. So we have a digital marketing product, so I'll be searching digital marketing. So users under which falls under this topic, digital marketing, will be automatically targeted. So after searching digital marketing, I got these options. So I think advertising and marketing would be fine. Now here, impression, earlier impression was 7.1 million. Now as you can see, it is dropped down to only 11 million, because I have targeted my ads now. So done. I have done with my topic targeting. Now once everything is done, you have to create your ads. So first you have to enter the URL of your video so that it can automatically fetch. So let me go to YouTube and bring out one video from our channel. So guys, this is the video I have choose to add in my YouTube ads. So I'm copying it. Let me turn this off. Now I've copied the URL. I just have to paste it here, and it will automatically fetch the video. As you can see, the video is fetched here. Now you have to select that which type of ad you want to create. So obviously we are going with in feed video ads. Now you have to select your thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail which I want to go with. Otherwise you can select any other thumbnails as well, but this one is fine. Now here you have to add the headline. You have to write it by yourself. So I'm writing, grow your business by 30x with marketing fundas, and it's world class. Oops, typing error. World class digital marketing service. So this is the heading or the headline I have given, as you can see here. Right now in description I'll be adding few more things. Contact us for free consultation, right? You can add description too as well. We are offering free service for free services only, although we are not offering free services, but yeah, just to add the description. Now my ad will be looking like this in your mobile phone and in the desktop, right? And in computers, as you can see, laptop, desktop, mobile phone. So this is how my ad will be looking. Now if I scroll a little bit down here, I can add the name of this particular ad. Now if you want to create few more ads, you can do that as well, right? This is only one ad. If you want to create multiple ads, you can do that, right? But I'm not going to create, it will waste your time and my time as well. So because the process is to create the ad is same, you just have to follow the same process, right? Now here you have to add the bidding, that how much the maximum cost per view you want to spend, right? Or you are willing to spend. And YouTube is showing me, basically Google is showing me around 0.87 rupees for a view. So if I hit the apply button, it will automatically apply. So this is the maximum I have to spend for a view, and this is suggested by Google itself. And if you want to minimize the number, if you want to maximize the number, you can do that as well. Let's say I want to add 1 rupee, so this is also good. And according to your CPV, you will be able to see the estimated performance here, right? Now just hit the create campaign button and your campaign will be created. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Now hit the continue to campaign and you will be into your campaign. Once your campaign starts running, you will be able to see all the data over here, right? So I hope you understood the process. I hope you learned from this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share the video, share the playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Google ads, YouTube ads. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.